Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. In this video we are going to be unboxing the new MacBook Air M1. It's a 256GB version with 8 gigs of RAM. Let's see what's in this box. Always open it slowly so the MacBook doesn't fall out. So this is the beautiful MacBook Air M1. As all recent MacBooks, it feels very sturdy and I like the cold touch to it. What do we get in the box? Manuals and some Apple stickers. I know a lot of people like them a lot. And those are not white, but space gray. That's nice for change. Then we have the charger. It's not a very fast one, it's just a 30-watt charger. So if you would have like one of the latest MacBook Pros with the M1 Pro or Max chip, you would need a stronger charger. This would take too long and it would heat up your MacBook too. But it's very nice and small. It's actually not much bigger than a tablet charger. And like always, if I'm not mistaken, you can take this off. In previous MacBooks you would get a longer cable. Now they don't do this anymore, but if you still have that piece, you can still plug it here to prolong your power adapter. Oh. This time there's no big Apple logo on it like before, just here. Don't know if you can see it, it's very small. Voila. And last but not least, the original Apple Thunderbolt 3 cable. Voila. Do we have something else in the box? It's empty. There's nothing else. Voila. So now the beautiful part. Taking off the plastic of a new machine. I love this. Wow. So then I see it's somehow a fingerprint. I wouldn't say magnet, but I just touched it and you can see my fingerprints on it already a little bit. Oh, they're disappearing because of the cold. Okay, let's see. At least still a fingerprint. Voila. Well, as soon as you open it, you hear the welcome to Apple sound. You see there's still a cloth on it to keep it clean. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the unboxing of the new MacBook Air with the M1 processor. I know it won't take too long, and there will be a new model already since it's been out for a while. Now I'm going to make. Oh.
Press the return key.
Okay, the laptop is talking to me already. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this little unboxing video of this beautiful MacBook Air. I already bought a MacBook Pro M1 Max with 32 gigabytes to make some comparisons, but unfortunately it got lost with UPS on the way here, so I will have to wait a little bit for that, but there's some videos coming out. I hope you enjoyed this. There's a lot more coming out in detail, and some detailed reviews are coming out. So if you like this, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions and if you would like me to make any videos about this Mac, or you want to ask me about some issues, just write it down in the comments. I'm at your service. Enjoy your day. This was Review Chains.